property anyway. Hey, Mr. Boadi, please come.
What are you doing here, Tiwa?
Standing for you.
Me?
Yes.
What's the problem?
I want to talk something, but take peace. Listen me.
Okay.
Why school you no close, you run go home? I don't understand.
Are you advising me or you are telling me something?
Please, I'm advancing you.
So don't think you are bright in school? If you make exams, you chop first or second or third?
I chop last, but teacher turn if it turn the paper like this, I'll be first.
Or do you think only school can make me prosper? I'm telling you, I'm giving you warning. Please. Tiwa, I don't want that. I know. Now you are coming to tell me this. It means you are thinking more than this. Eat your house matter. Don't eat my house matter, please. If you are clever, take it. If I'm not, I'll take it. But I'm warning you. Eat your house matter. Let this one be first and last.
But take peace, oh. Take peace. May I advancing you, Keke.
If you don't advance, go advance your mother. Don't advance.
Advance you, Keke. Go school, mother pay school fees, nothing. Boadi, take advance, oh. Take advance. I'm advancing you. Person slow.
Subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.